Hello, my dear viewers and subscribers. Today we have a netbook Ace, a model Aspire R331 P626. Today we will sort it out with you. Let's see what we have inside, how it is sorted out, and in general what it is. That's what he looks like. The glossy display drags. That's how he knows how to fold, that is, how a tablet can be used. This laptop has a quad-core processor H37001 and 6 GHz, a hard disk for 504 GB of RAM. Let's get down to disassembly. Unscrew the bolts of the back cover. As usual, we do everything slowly. Unscrewed the bolts, ours, open and look. Let's take a spatula to begin with, let's try to dig in. We dig in, take a plastic card and carefully pass it along the perimeter without hurrying, turn it over with such movements and do the same here. We close it, turn it over and carefully try to remove the back cover. In such an easy way, I would even say. We remove. What do we see? A rechargeable battery, which is non-removable, a hard disk, a Wi-Fi module. Under the Wi-Fi module there is a battery that holds the BIOS settings, a card reader, RAM, which is protected by such an iron protection, a radiator and a processor. Let's take off the radiator and see. Unscrew the bolts, remove the sticker, remove the radiator. We see that we have a radiator without a fan, respectively. The netbook is silent. To the side. Now we remove the RAM protection. That's how we pull it up, take it off. Installed RAM from the company SK Hewitt 4 GB of PCIe 3L12800 with 135 volts. If someone needs to expand to 8 or 16, but this is already necessary again, I think that you can definitely expand to 8, to 16 you need to specify directly the technical support of the manufacturer itself. Remove the hard drive. We snap off the loop, unscrew the bolts. Carefully remove. Unscrew our Wi-Fi module. We pull it out. Here's the battery. If it does not keep the BIOS settings, or the date and time are lost, we change it. This is how this netbook is sorted out. Everything is going in reverse order. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.